the body of your essay is structured also depends a lot on purpose. However, there are a few key areas that you'll want to consider when drafting the content of your essay. First of all, you'll want to consider transitions, and transitions should appear not only within paragraphs, shift you from one idea to another, but also between paragraphs. So when you shift from your introduction to the body of your essay, there should be a clear and smooth transition that shows your reader how you're flowing from one piece to the next. In the drafting and revising lesson, you'll find a list of transitional phrases. Keep a list like this handy. The transition you choose depends on the purpose, and it also depends on the relationship that you're creating between the ideas. Additionally, it's important to check for the strength of topic sentences. Every paragraph you write begins with a topic sentence. It's not just the random first sentence of the paragraph. Instead, it's almost a mini thesis. It essentially lays out the main point of that specific paragraph. Everything in a paragraph must relate back to the topic sentence. The topic sentence, as part of the essay, must relate back to the thesis. So check for those mini thesis statements in each one of your paragraphs. And then finally, the body of the essay is where all of your specific details enter into the equation. They develop the focus of that mini thesis, of that topic sentence. And just like every detail in an essay must relate back to the thesis, these specific details, whether that's a story, an example, cause and effect analysis, comparison and contrast, using outside sources, statistics, quotes, expert testimony, whatever it happens to be, all of that needs to clearly connect to the point of the topic and of the essay. Endings are very important. They are the last impression your reader has of your message. How you end your text, just like how you open and how you structure the body, oftentimes depends on your purpose. You may want to wrap up any loose ends in your conclusion, leave the reader with some kind of final thought or significance. You can also restate your main point, especially if your essay is very lengthy. It's important to provide a recap for the reader. Some of the strategies that you use to close an essay are similar to the ones that you use to open. Whatever you do, make sure that you leave the reader with something to move forward with. A final idea, a final thought to ponder, some piece of action to move forward with. Leave the reader with a clear impression of your overall main point and why it is relevant to them.